My research aims to develop new technologies and approaches to efficiently produce a range of fuels and chemicals, but using sustainable sources instead. Examples of raw materials include sugarcane bagasse, wood residues, and plastic waste. Today, making, for example, aviation or marine fuels requires crude oil and natural gas. I look at the fundamental catalytic chemistry and design new types of catalysts and technologies to facilitate the energy transition. I also investigate the economic feasibility and sustainability of these emerging processes. The future of chemical engineering is going to be critical to the energy transition. My driving interest is to really see the scale up of these technologies, from the lab to an actual commercial plant. As an undergraduate, I became involved with this research group that was making biodiesel from algae. And I thought that was just the coolest thing. And from that moment on, I knew that's exactly what I want to do.